Hey there, this is Ed from 360 Fearless Adventures. Today on this wonderful day, we're going to the Haynes Falls. So right over here, okay? So right now, we're in the parking lot right now, and we are gonna follow all this trail until we hit the falls right here. So far we've been following the bare footprint, which indicates the route of the fall. So far not too bad. We're about maybe halfway to the falls, so it's not been too bad. We've just made a turn here. We're going downhill, which is a pretty nice change. It's been a little bit uphill, but not too bad. I think a kid could do it. Mostly any adults could do it. Just take your time and he'll be fine. Just watch out for all the rocks on the ground. It's easy to twist an ankle. And I'm still following the bear paw marking here and the blue marking. So we're here at the falls right now. I'm dead center, right in the middle of the fall. Right now is dry season, so there's hardly like any water right now. But this would be amazing when this place is really flowing like fully. I'm guessing like when winter's over, it comes to spring, this place would be just like filling full of water. It's one of the highest waterfall in New Brunswick, so it's definitely something to come check out. Right now I'm dead center in the middle of the waterfall, so you can see I'm just hitting a lot of moss right here. I don't want to go higher because I'm gonna slip off, so I'm just staying on the dry rocks. I wouldn't recommend anyone doing this. I'm just doing this to show you the view. I'm being very careful. Down there in the pond, there's actually a little bit of fish. It's kind of amazing because the fish doesn't have really much place to go, and there's like those little crawfish. It's like a little lobster. It's pretty cool to see, so I'll show you some footage of that as well, so stay tuned. you.